No, because
This leg
you
is not
see,
good.
yeah, like one arm. You remember one model arm? It's just
Do you have other one like the one will come in exam?
yeah. Just no. We have other model. So you see here, this is the femoral artery,
Okay.
and this is its big branches. Okay,
Which-
deep branch. This is a deep artery of the thigh or arteria profunda femoris. Then it descends. And you remember when I showed the muscles, adductor magnus. Inside adductor magnus there is a hole.
Yes,
Okay?
hiatus.
Hiatus. Okay?
Hiatus.
Hiatus. So through that hiatus, usually this structure passes, and here there is a canal. Here there is a canal below the sartorius. We call it adductor magnus. We call it adductor canal. Okay, adductor canal
What is this muscle?
or subsartorial canal.
What is this muscle?
No.
This is adductor.
No.
Heavy magnus?
No. Here
This is the
adductor
magnet,
canal.
the adductor magnus muscle.
Adductor magnus.
The one that you are touching?
Yeah, this is adductor
one
magnus,
is
and
adductor
yeah,
magnus.
we call it adductor canal.
Why the artery go through this hole in the
To go to the posterior past part of
Yeah,
the leg.
because there is a space, so that through that space it pass through. So this is to become popliteal, okay? Because this is medial side. Now it need to go to the posterior side. That's why it's passed through this and it becoming posterior, okay?
become popliteal.
Popliteal. They become popliteal. So popliteal, you see the genicular artery. This is superior, this is inferior, and in between here middle.
Can you show us the superior and inferior again?
Yeah, this is superior, so this is medial side, so medial. So this is superior medial genicular, this is superior lateral, this is inferior medial, inferior lateral.
Okay.
So this is popliteal artery, okay? This is popliteal artery. Then popliteal artery becoming posterior tibial, this is posterior tibial.
Anterior is not obvious here.
Anterior is here, but yeah, here not
Yeah,
able
you
to-
can't really.
This muscle, maybe it's under this muscle.
I don't think it should be under this muscle.
This movable.
Yeah, it shouldn't be under this muscle, صح?
I don't think.
It shouldn't be, صح? It is anterior.
Yeah, this is
اللي هذا هو.
anterior, okay? This is anterior. So these anterior, it becoming here the arteria dorsalis pedis, okay? Or-
Where is
You can't really.
yeah, but we cannot see it because it's fixed, okay? Here,
So this is the anterior tibial
arteria,
doctor, right?
arteria dorsalis pedis. If it will come in the exam, it will come in the picture. Okay?
So the only thing we need to know here is that there is the
Anterior
anterior
tibial.
tibia. We
Anterior
don't need to
tibial.
know these branches of the anterior.
What is this branch?
Yeah,
that's
because
what I'm asking.
This branch, this is the malleolar branch.
Okay, malleolar
Yeah.
branch.
Because there are so many small branches, but I did not talk about that small branches. There are many small branches here, but plantar foot is not good here. Just I check the other model there, other leg.
Okay.
The plantar artery is there.